So I thought it would be a good day to do a potato reveal. Now I have, I guess you can't see it back here. I already did two in my recycle bins. I got this one here, and all the foliage is dying back quite a bit. So now, based on what I got from the other ones, they weren't really huge, right? A lot of smaller ones. So these are the russets. And so on average, they're pretty small. I know the first year when I bought the seed potatoes, I had some big potatoes. But then I kept using the small ones as seed potatoes. So I don't know if that impacts things. It seems like it might. But here we are. I'm going to just start pulling them out. It's not bad. Not bad. The little ones aren't that bad, but it's always more fun to get a big one, I did pack quite a bit of seed potatoes in here, because that's what I was trying to do, but this soil, I never replaced it. This would be the second year, so it's probably lost a little bit of potential. This is sand. It's from the beach cleanup I do. It's kind of half the reason I'm doing this is because it's like, can you do something useful with that stuff that washes up to the beach, all the seaweed? They keep digging it out. Yeah, these are roughly the size of the ones I've been getting out of the other two. Not enormous, but they're still kind of there. I don't understand what governs like potato size. You know, what makes a potato bigger or smaller. But these have been there for, you know, when the plant dies back, it's time to pull it. But it's like these could have been. They could have been bigger. It's not overly impressive with the size. Actual potatoes. Not too bad. Yeah, I'm not overly impressed. I mean, that's it's probably maybe a 6 or 7 pound bag. Yeah, like that's the biggest. The first year I planted russets, they were huge. I had some huge ones. Then I kept the seeds, like I kept little guys for seeds. So maybe that's part of the problem, I don't know. Maybe it's because this is the second year. Actually, it could be the third year. the other option is maybe throw a bit of manure right in this stuff or layer it in. So that's it. It's my potato haul for that bucket. I still have these two big giant bags. I'll wait a couple more weeks to do that because maybe I can get a little bit more growth. Yeah, I mean, there's no effort in it. You know, you plant them and that's basically it. So, but it's definitely more exciting when they come out and they're big. But you know, that could be something I'm doing. I don't know. So there we go. Potato haul.